Shh, find something else. Here, buddy. Brantley.
It's a necklace too.
What's that, Kelsey? Oh yeah, I got it on video that time. Kelsey face. The classic Kelsey face. Avery, I see you.
No!
Look at him. Bully your way in there, Brantley. Push him out of the way. No, look at him. He's just as big as they are.
I got a snake. What are the other presents?
They're in her ears. Show Kaylee your ears, Amberly. Show Kaylee your ears. Look at her ears, Kaylee. She got her ears pierced today. That was her birthday present.
May I have snakes at our house?
Not right now,
Yeah, we have some around.
because it's kind of a mess with babies around.
May I do it upstairs?
I'd rather not right now, but babies are around.
That's not your
They'll be everywhere.
No, but I'm stealing from our sister.
Hey,
so she can
smile.
wear it. It's part Netflix.
You're on video camera right now. You better smile.
We don't have that much time to play. We can help your sister anytime.
What are you doing?
You gonna show me how you drive? Oh, look at Toy
Carrie, you're on candid camera. What do you want to say to the world? Look at your shirt, Mary Kate. How cute is that?
Uh-oh.